In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop your Shopify plan. Whether you're at the end of a trial period, switching platforms, or simply taking a break from selling online, this guide will take you through the process step by step. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to go to the Shopify website. It's as easy as typing Shopify into your browser and hitting enter. Once you're on their main page, look for the login button usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will navigate you to the login page, a gate to all the administrative actions you intend to perform. At this stage, you're prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Shopify store accurately. This specific step is crucial because it tells Shopify which store you're looking to access, especially if you have more than one store under your belt. Next up, you'll be asked to enter your password. Take your time typing your password to ensure it's correct. Then click on Login to proceed. If you've entered everything correctly, you'll be welcomed into the Shopify admin dashboard. It's essentially the nerve center of your Shopify store. Now that you're in, you're looking to navigate to your store's home page. It should be fairly easy to spot. Typically, it's one of the first things you see once you're logged in. However, if you find yourself somewhere else within the admin area, you can always click on the My Store button, usually at the top left-hand corner, to get back to the home page. From here, you want to direct your attention to the Settings gear icon, which can be found at the lower left-hand corner of the page. The Settings area is where you can adjust various aspects of your Shopify store, from payment providers to checkout settings. But for the purpose of this video, we're specifically interested in your store's plan details. Once you're in Settings, look for the Plan option. It should be fairly straightforward to locate. Clicking on Plan will take you to a page detailing your current Shopify plan, the billing cycle, and other related information. This is the section where you can make changes to your plan, including cancelling it. If you're in a trial period or have decided that Shopify isn't quite the right fit for you, you'll see an option to cancel trial here. It's worth noting that Shopify might offer you alternatives or try to understand why you're leaving during this process. This feedback is optional, but providing it can help Shopify improve, or could even result in offers that might persuade you to stay. Clicking on Cancel Trial will initiate the process to stop your Shopify plan. Follow any further prompts to confirm your decision. Shopify values its users and might ask for final confirmation or feedback, so be sure to read through these carefully. And that's essentially it. You have successfully navigated through the process of stopping your Shopify plan. Before we wrap up, I want to share a few quick tips. First, ensure that you've resolved any outstanding charges on your account before cancelling, as failing to do so could lead to complications. Also, if you're considering returning to Shopify in the future, remember that Shopify allows you to pause your store temporarily instead of cancelling. This could be a beneficial option if you're on the fence. Furthermore, always back up any important data before you finalize the cancellation. Shopify provides options to export your data, such as customer lists and product details, which could be invaluable if you decide to open an online store again in the future, be it on Shopify or another platform. Finally, remember to check your email for a confirmation of the cancellation. This email serves as a record of your action and might contain important information about the termination of your account and what to expect next. So that brings us to the end of our guide on how to stop your Shopify plan. It's my hope that this video has demystified the process and provided you with the information needed to make the best decision for your situation. Remember, whether you're taking a break or moving on to new adventures, the world of e-commerce is always evolving and there's a myriad of resources out there to help you succeed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.